Hello and welcome back. So today we have some headlight bulbs. These are 1200 LMs. These are 6500K cool white wireless HA and H9 headlight system. This is a pack of 2 for your front headlights. So right here we have these LED headlights. These plug in like the original bulbs. It's 1-in-1, same beam position as halogen. Hassle-free installation. It fits over 99% of vehicles. So 1-in-1 basically means it's the same height as your halogens. These are customized Zest LED chip 6500K, double-sided LED, same beam pattern as halogen, no dark spots, no blinding to other drivers. So first off, in this box we have the user manual or product manual. This basically tells you how to install these. Installation is a breeze. It is very easily. If you can install the halogen bulbs, these are a breeze. And it says how to get the warranty honored. And then this one here is in Chinese. So first off, here are the bulbs. They're about the same height as your original bulbs. Whatever you do, do not touch the middle portion. So I have a Honda Accord EXL. This one here has a fan. So this one is exact same as my Honda Accord. If you can look at the bottom, it has the clips right here, just exactly like my halogens. So anytime your light bulbs are on, there's a little fan right here that will turn on, and I will show you that later in the video. So they're about the same height and width as your other bulb. But these ones here are super bright. And here's the other one. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go and show you the previous bulbs that are in my car. I had to replace this because my driver's side kept going out. I kept getting the Sylvanias from AutoZone. Those ones kept burning out every 2 months. These ones here fit my car perfectly. They have a fan, so it keeps it cool. Whatever you do, do not touch the middle part. When you install these, you want to use gloves. So now let's make our way to my car to install these. So right here, I'm going to pull this out and to put the bulb in here. Previously, my bulb went out. You could tell the difference. So this side is the LED. The other one is the other bulb, the halogen. So you can see the halogen bulbs gives you a yellow hue. So now I've replaced the passenger side. So now you get the white, the bright white color. They are really bright. I've actually had a couple people tell me that they thought I had high beams on, but they're not. And so whenever your lights are running, this fan will start blowing. It'll start turning. You can see right now how it's turning once the lights turn off. This will turn off as well. So I'll just wait for that to kick in to turn off. And now that they turned off, the fan turns off. I would definitely recommend these. I switched these halogen bulbs from the Sylvania. The Sylvania always blows out every 2 months. I cannot recommend those. These ones definitely work. This one you do get a same set of 2, where the other one I was only getting 1 for the same price. I would definitely check this one out.